Hello, my light workers. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your 12-12 portal, 221-12 portal reading, and let's see what this portal is bringing you all. Okay, so I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. This portal is starting on 12-12 portal 12-12-21, that is 12th December 2021, and that portal which again is ending on 21 December 2021. This is very important and very big portal for all star seeds, light workers, twin flames, soulmates. Okay, so this is very important portal for all, I can say that. So let's see what are the messages, what this portal is bringing, the beautiful energies for the light workers. I have already uploaded the star seed reading, so if you wish to see the star seed messages, so you can have a look on that too. So let's start your reading. Before starting your reading, I'm going to give you some messages which I received while doing the meditation for you. So the first message for you is that your solar plexus chakra is getting activated here. Okay, your solar plexus chakra is getting activated, and because of that you are feeling lot of empowerment, lot of confidence, lot of strength, lot of energy to move in a forward direction. You must be feeling like that I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to take new goals, new projects. Okay, because you are feeling lot of energy. So this portal is bringing the activation of solar plexus chakra for light workers here. So you are feeling the energetic movement inside of you. And the second message which I received for you is healing. Your healing is coming here. There is healing energy which is present for you here. Okay, and right now you have to spend some time alone in nature and with your own self. Rest, take care of yourself. Okay, and write a dream journal, because you are receiving the messages in your dreams. So pay attention to your dreams, and you can write these dreams in a journal so that you can decode these dreams. Maybe after maybe right now you cannot able to understand the meaning, but after some time you will be able to understand what the dream is trying to tell you, what is the message you are receiving. So write down the dream journal here. Next message is pay attention to signs. Okay, that's the message. Pay attention to your dreams, pay attention to the signs, because you are receiving the signs and the synchronicities from the divine. Maybe you can see angels, okay, the owl, okay, the synchronicities, but you are receiving some kind of, or unicorns. Okay, but you are receiving the synchronicities and signs. So just pay attention to the signs which you are receiving through the universe, through the angels. Okay, next is there is something which is written in your destiny. Okay, and which is coming true for you. This portal is bringing something in your life which is written in your destiny. Okay, then there is burning bowl ritual. Okay, so you have to do the burning bowl ritual here. Anything which is very hard for you to let go, you can write it down on the paper and burn it out here into the fire, and you can release this energy like this. So you have to do the burning bowl ritual here. Okay, and next message for you is music and sing. Some of you love the music, and music heals you all, and you can sing also. There is singing and music which is very much important for you light workers here. Okay, next is you are dealing with someone who is your spiritual connection. What is a spiritual connection? There is a connection in your life which is coming from your past lives. Okay, you both are together in many past lives. This relation has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. You're dealing with someone who is your spiritual connection, the divine pair. You both are the divine pairs, the divine counterparts. So you both are the spiritual partners from many past lives. Okay, next message for you is that unicorns, I told you unicorns is here. There is a divine support which is with you. There is lot of energy which you are feeling right now. Then there is lot of number synchronicities you must be going through. Okay, maybe 555, 444, 777 or 888, or 77 or 8855, but 555, 444, 777 and 888 number synchronicities. So you must be getting these synchronicities. Okay, and you are awakening your divine masculine energy. Okay, your divine masculine energy is getting awakened. Okay, that is getting balanced, I can say that. Okay, light workers, and next message for you is, some of you are the Palladian star seeds as well as the light workers too, and some of you are here for a double mission. 0555 is a recording reading time. See, 555 is an important number for you. Next is Lemuria. You have the some connection with Lemuria, Atlantis, and this 12 to 2112 portal is bringing you transformation. Okay, there's a lot of transformation here. You are having a connection with Lemuria here. Okay, maybe you belong to Lemuria. Okay, and now you are here to create the heaven on the planet Earth. Okay, and it's happening here. And some of you are the Pleiades. You belong from Pleiades star system, the star family. You are the Palladian star seeds. You are here for the double mission, challenging and uplifting humanity. Okay, so you are here for the double mission. Okay, and you are going through a process of transformation here. Deep cellular level healing is happening. So spend some time in nature so that you can ground your energy here. So these were the messages which I received for you while doing the meditation, and let's start the reading and let's see what is the message. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for the light workers for 1212 portal, 22112 portal, 2021, which is important to deliver. Please give me the messages. Please give me the messages. I have already uploaded the star seed reading, but some of you light workers, you are the star seeds as well as the light workers. Okay, so you can also have a look on the star seed reading. Maybe you can get some important information or some important messages which are important for you. So let's start. Please give me the messages for light workers. See, dance with life, do something to change your energy. Okay, 0808 is the recording reading time. You have to do something to change your energy. Okay, if you are feeling very low, light workers, you can dance, you can cook, you can rest, you can spend some time in nature, but do something to change your energy. Anything which feeds your soul. You can sing, you can listen to the music. Okay, you can take shower baths, or you can walk, you can play, you can write, but do something to change your energy. And there is transformation. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing is happening. I told you, you are going through a process of transformation here. Okay, align your life. What is not aligned and needs to change? Please give me the messages for light workers. Wow. See, I told you. Right now you have to see that what is not aligned, what is the thing which you needs to change, and what is the thing which you have to let go. Okay, that's why the message was burning bowl ritual. There is something which is not aligned with your life, which is not serving your highest good. You need to let go that thing as soon as possible. If you are not if this energy is not, if you are not able to release this energy, you can use the burning bowl ritual. Okay, that's why the message was that you can use the burning bowl ritual. Then there is star mother. How can you mother yourself? Right now you are going through a process of transformation here. Okay, so take care of yourself like a mother. Okay, you have to take care of yourself like a mother yourself. Okay, how can you mother yourself? Then there is Palladians. See, Pallades energy is here again. So double mission, challenging and uplifting humanity. You are here on the planet Earth for the double mission. You are a star seed as well as the light workers. You are having a double mission on the planet Earth to uplift your own vibration on your own frequency, as well to uplift and channel the humanity in frequencies also. And just say yes. Yes to new things. Yes to the beautiful things which are coming up for you here. Okay, so let's see more messages. This is very beautiful message. Okay. Okay, thank you. Let me see messages from self-care cards. What is the message you want me to deliver for light workers? Music will help you a lot. Okay, so spend some time with music also here. Please give me messages for light workers. Please give me the messages for light workers. Aromatherapy. Drink lot of water here. Hydrate yourself. Okay, so drink lot of water here, light workers. And this is write down a gratitude list. Can you see again 55 number is here. 555, 55, 88, 888, 77, 777, 444 is an important number for you. Okay, write down a gratitude list. Say thank you universe, thank you God for giving this beautiful things for me, for always there for me. Always have an attitude of gratitude. So you have to write down a gratitude list here. And this is aromatherapy. That means use the flower therapy. Okay, aromatherapy is what you can use the fragrance, I can say that. Okay, of flowers, of fruits, the smell basically. Let me read it out from the book also. So this is very powerful tool, I can say. Okay, to connect with plants, flowers, herbs and environment around you. You have to take time today to notice what you smell. Okay, pay close attention to how different scents make you feel and what memories they trigger. So maybe there is some memory which will get triggered after this aromatherapy. Okay, after a particular smell. So you have to do the aromatherapy here. Okay, so you have to know that what is your favorite scent from the childhood and what does it remind you of. Maybe it will remind you of something which is related to your soul purpose or to your past life journey. 1313 is a recording reading time. This is beautiful. Now let's see more messages. Let me make some space here. Please give me the messages for light workers. What is the message you want me to deliver for light workers? Please give me the message for light workers. Action. What is the message you want me to deliver for light workers? One more. Just give me one more message. See, again the same message is here, that you have to take care of yourself, rest and rejuvenate yourself. 1414 is a recording reading time. Rest and rejuvenate yourself because you are going through a process of transformation. Okay, see, how can you mother yourself? Rest and rejuvenate yourself here, light workers, because you are going through a process of transformation. So take care of yourself. Right now you have to take care of yourself like you are a small baby, a newborn baby here. Okay, and there is the goddess of the moon. So pay attention to your intuitions. Your intuition is guiding you a lot. They are giving you a lot of beautiful information. That's why the message was that pay attention to your intuition, the aromatherapy, the smell, because there is something which will trigger inside of you, some memory of the past life, okay, which you have spent on Lemora or Atlantis or Avalon or any other galaxy or any other universe. So that's the message I'm receiving here. There is an angel of balance and there is action. So you are going through, you will take action in a forward direction, and there is a balance which is coming up for you. Now you know that what is right and what is wrong, okay, what is black and what is white, and you are going to take action in a forward direction because you are getting the balance here. The angel of balance is here. There is garden in the gate, so you have the key to open the gate, okay. Can you see how this girl is wearing a necklace and she has the key? So just use this key to open the gate. You have all the answers from within yourself. Okay, so just open the gate here. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what healing is happening in this portal for light workers. What healing is happening? What healing is happening? What healing is happening for light workers? Please give me one message. What healing is happening for light workers? What healing is happening? Home. Again, this is 35 and this is 8. Okay. So this is healing. This portal is bringing you healing. In the context of this teaching, let's use the word home to describe your unconscious ability to attract intimate partners with the positive and the negative qualities your parent instilled in you. This card honors the wounded child in you that keeps recreating home, hoping to get your childhood development codependency needs met. You might even provoke the others to act or look like your original parent. In the world where so many of our natural emotions were not encouraged and worse yet suppressed, you are now encouraged to feel the feelings trapped inside you and that constantly sabotage your life. How do you keep recreating your home? So you must be recreating your home in that way. This is the unconscious mind. Your unconscious mind was wounded, your inner child wounds was there, and this portal is bringing you healing to your unconscious mind. Okay, for some of us home was an amazing, empowering and happy place, but for most of us it was lacking. There was unease and hurt. This imprinted on your nervous system, which forces the dysfunction you had with your parents to rise to the surface with your current partner and people close to you. Okay, so this is very beautiful message here. This portal is bringing you maybe in the home. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So in this portal is bringing you the healing of your inner child, the healing of your inner child. Maybe you were having the inner child wounds because in the childhood you were not get um, the the home which you required. Okay, maybe you suppressed your emotions, they were not happiness, or they were not emotionally, you were not met when you were a child, and there was rejection, there was victim consciousness here. Can you see? So maybe there was a victim consciousness and there was rejection which you felt in the childhood. Because of that you were having some inner child wounds, but this portal is bringing you lot of healing in your inner child wounds. 1919 is a recording reading time, and this is very powerful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what is the message from the Chinese fortune reading card. What is the message you want me to deliver for light workers? What is the message you want me to deliver? Wow. Love. Forgiveness is required. Yin Yang Destiny. Wow, I told you there is something which is coming here for you, which is written in your destiny. So, some of you, there is a twin flame, there is a soulmate, a spiritual connection which is written in your destiny. There is love here, there is yin yang here again. So, some of you, you are dealing with someone which is written in your destiny. This is written in your destiny, okay, light workers. This is written in your destiny, your yin yang, your twin flame, your soulmate, your love, which is written in your destiny, that this person is coming in your life. This portal is bringing you someone who is destined to be with you in this lifetime. And the other meaning of this yin yang energy is that now you are balancing your inner masculine and your inner feminine. Okay, you're balancing your yin yang energies and you're creating the inner union, and that's beautiful. Forgiveness is required. So anyone who has hurt you in the past, okay, and even yourself, you have to forgive them as soon as possible so that you can heal from that thing. There is family and there is new beginning. So you are going to create new beginnings in happy family, happy life. Spend some time with family also. Here you are going to spend some time with family. Okay, the family time is coming here, and there is new beginnings which are coming up for you. So this portal is bringing you new beginnings, new beginning in love, basically. So this is beautiful. Now in this, I'm going to take this empowerment, and this is solar plexus chakra. Your solar plexus chakra is getting activated, and because of that you are feeling a lot of energetic empowerment, confidence, lot of energy to create something, to take new projects, okay, on new job, on something you want to create now, because you're feeling empowered because of your solar plexus chakra is getting activated here. Okay, so this is beautiful. Now let me add message from the priestess of light. Please give me the message for the light workers. Thank you for giving the messages. What is the message you want me to deliver for light workers? Precognition. Now you can you are having psychic abilities here. Okay, psychic abilities, future vision is here. So this is very powerful message here. There is courage, strength, fearless family, and this is ancient wisdom. Lot of miracles is going to happen. You have lot of ancient wisdom. I told you, you are an old soul. You are someone who belongs from Pleiades, Lemura, Atlantis, someone from very old ancient civilization. Okay, so there's a lot of miracles which are going to happen in this portal. In this portal there is a lot of miracles which is going to happen here. Okay, but use your ancient wisdom. You have that wisdom here, light workers. Okay, and the second message is courage. Keep your strength, your courage to move in a forward direction. You are the lioness, I'm not talking about any gender here, but I'm talking about the lion energy, the strength, the lion, the lioness. Okay, you have the psychic ability to see the future vision. Okay, so use those psychic abilities here. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the gateway oracles. Please give me one message for light workers. What is the message you want me to deliver? Wow, see, again the same messages here. Awakening ancient wisdom, deep inner knowing is emerging within me. This portal is making you awaken your ancient wisdom. Maybe you can see glimpse or dreams of your past lives, your ancient civilization. You're getting the knowledge, the ancient wisdom downloads inside when you are sleeping. So use your ancient wisdom, because that's the awakening which is happening here. You are awakening your ancient wisdom. This is powerful message here. Okay, and I'm going to take here from the spiritual connection here. So this is a relationship which has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. Okay, you're dealing with someone who is your twin flame, who is written in your destiny, who is your soulmates. For some of you this is your soulmate, and for rest of you this is your twin flame. Okay, light workers, but this is your spiritual connection. Okay, this is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, so this is very powerful message. Okay, so now let me add message from the Secret Indian Tarot deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for light workers? Too many. Please give me the message for light workers. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There is star and there is lovers. There is new hopes, new desires which are coming up for you. 2552, that's the mirror number. Again 77. Okay, this is your twin flame, your soulmate, your spiritual connection. There is new hopes, new desires, healing which is coming up for you in your love life. Please give me the message for light workers. Any other message? Sun. Okay, so this is new happy beginnings which are coming up for you. 2626, again 88. Lot of number synchronicities are available for you, light workers. Pay attention to the synchronicities, the signs. New happy beginnings are coming up for you in your love life. New hopes, new desires, the sun, the new beginnings, the happy beginning, the happiest card in the tarot deck. The sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So your love life, this portal is bringing you the union, I can say, the physical union, the new happy beginnings which are going to start in this portal here. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages from tarot. What is the message you want me to deliver? Again the strength card is here. Keep your strength here. Okay, keep your strength. Wow, 10 of cups, the fool. Whatever confusion you were having in your love life, that is going to end. The transformation is taking place here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Emperor. Okay, so you have to keep your strength, your courage. Keep your strength, keep your courage. Do not give up. Keep your strength in your love life. Okay, keep your courage. Then there is 10 of cups. Maybe you were not able to create 10 of cups, happy family, happy life. But now this portal is bringing you lot of happy family, happy life, happily ever after. Okay, but you have to take a leap of faith. Be the fool. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. This is death and rebirth. This is transformation which is taking place in your life here. What is the message for light workers? See, bottom of the deck I'm having divine intervention. This is the divine intervention which is happening here because this is 7 of Pentacles. So you have already put the seeds here. Now this is the time to reap the rewards. You have already done all the hard works, all the jobs which you have to do. Okay, you have already put all the energy, all the things which you need to do. Okay, and now this is the time to reap the rewards, and this is the time where the divine intervention is happening. The tower is coming. This is the sudden change which is coming up in your life. This portal is bringing sudden changes, and this is not bad at all. Okay, I always say in my reading that divine intervention is good, because when we have to make necessary changes but we do not do that, then divine has to intervene in our situation so that we can make those changes and move in a forward direction, and then we have to take those decisions. Again the Chariot is here, so you are going to take actions, okay, in a forward direction. Okay, you're not going to get stuck in this energy. You're going to move in a forward direction, because can you see There is definitely someone from your past who is igniting your passion. You will get your clarity. Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. You will get the truth. Who is this person? Because maybe there was a lot of confusion with the Seven of Cups, because of which you were juggling between two situations or two-person here, because there were a lot of options to choose. But now you're getting you are getting the clarity, the truth, that who is my soulmate, who is my divine counterpart, who is this person is. See, yeah, your wish fulfillment is going to come true, okay, in this portal. Maybe you were having some kind of confusion, you were not having the clarity about your emotions, because of that you were unable to sleep at night, but now you will get to know what is the truth. Can you see the Empress and the Queen of Swords? You will know, because Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth, okay. You will know the truth, that who is this person. This portal is bringing you lot of beautiful energies, I can say that. So this is what I'm having here for you, light workers. Okay, let me add one message from the astrology deck. Please give me the message for light workers. Some of you are dealing with the Sagittarius, Capricorn, Pisces, okay, Leo, Libra. Okay, what is the message for light workers? Please give me the message. Gemini is here. So some of you are dealing with Gemini, okay, or you are the Gemini, okay. Some of you are the yin energy, intuition, trust, patience, spirituality, receptivity. See, again, yin is all about the feminine energy, okay. So you can be dealing with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay. So that can also be a possibility here. Okay, this can be a Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn and Pisces. Okay, the feminine, the receptivity, the spirituality, the patience, okay, going inwards. So this is beautiful message. So this is what I'm having here for you, light workers. I hope it will help you out in some manner here. Okay, Virgo is here. So these are the signs either you are dealing with or you are here, okay. So I told you the Gemini, the Taurus, the Virgo, the Capricorn, the Scorpio, the Cancer, the Pisces, Sagittarius, okay. So these are the signs which I'm having here. So this is what I'm having here for you. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my light workers who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, and if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.